There's a certain honesty in small furniture. It doesn't pretend to be grand, doesn't promise to transform a life, doesn't ask for blind faith. The TYBOATLE linen fabric modern small love seat shows up with clean lines, metal legs, and a very clear message. This is a practical couch for real spaces and real budgets. At just over 50 inches wide, this love seat is built for apartments, offices, dorm rooms, and those awkward corners where a full sofa would overwhelm the room. The design leans modern and minimal, with smooth lines and slim black iron legs that lift it visually off the floor. That small detail matters. It keeps the couch from looking heavy, even in tight spaces, and gives it a slightly more polished, intentional look than most budget seating. The linen fabric is breathable and soft to the touch, treated to resist pilling and everyday wear. It doesn't feel luxurious in a dramatic way, but it feels sensible and comfortable, the kind of fabric that looks fine with jeans, pajamas, or office clothes. The removable, washable cover is another quiet win. For a couch meant to live in small, active spaces, easy cleaning isn't a luxury, it's survival. Underneath, the structure is sturdier than expected. The all-iron seat frame gives the Loveseat a solid, grounded feel once assembled. It doesn't wobble or creak under normal use and supports a surprising amount of weight, rated between 400 and 600 pounds. This isn't a delicate accent piece. It's built to be used, sat on daily, and trusted not to give up halfway through the year. Comfort is straightforward and honest. The high-density sponge cushions offer decent support with a medium firmness that works well for sitting upright, watching TV, or having a conversation. It's not a sink-in cloud couch, and it doesn't try to be. Some may choose to add extra cushions for a softer feel, but even as is, the seating is comfortable enough for everyday use. Like many foam-based sofas, the cushions benefit from time to fully expand and settle, improving after a short break-in period. Assembly is refreshingly manageable. Everything arrives in one box, and the process takes roughly 15 to 25 minutes. The instructions are clear enough to follow without frustration, and spare bolts are included. A small gesture that says someone was thinking ahead. Even for those with little furniture experience, the setup feels achievable, not intimidating. There are trade-offs, and they're worth acknowledging. The Loveseat sits relatively low, which may surprise some at first. For shorter users or smaller rooms, this can actually work in its favor, but others may prefer adding leg risers to bring it up a bit. The overall footprint is compact, and once placed in a room, it can feel smaller than expected. That's not a flaw, so much as a reminder. This couch knows exactly what it is. Customer service also deserves mention. In cases where parts arrived damaged or instructions were missing, replacements were handled quickly and courteously. That kind of support matters more when buying affordable furniture, where confidence often comes from how problems are handled, not whether they happen. For the price, even with shipping considered, this Loveseat delivers real value. It's not pretending to compete with high-end sofas, and that honesty is its strength. It's a smart choice for temporary setups that quietly become permanent, for small rooms that need function without fuss, and for anyone who understands that cheap doesn't always have to mean careless. The TYBOATLE small Loveseat is simple, sturdy, and realistic. It fits where it needs to fit, does what it's supposed to do, and asks very little in return. In a world full of overpromises, that kind of furniture earns respect.